it going, guys? My name is DJ Brian Z, and today I'm bringing you guys a tutorial on how to install the homebrew channel on your 3DS. Well, basically what you need to do, you need to have the YouTube app on your 3DS. Alright, if you do not have YouTube, this tutorial will not be used for you guys, alright? I'm going to teach you how to install TubeHax and Ironhax. Well, Ironhax relies on YouTube, so if you don't have YouTube, I'm sorry, you will not be able to have homebrew on your 3DS device. So, first things first, let's head over to System Settings, let it load up right here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on version 9.9, the recent version that Nintendo provides to us. So first step, we're going to head over to Internet Settings, we're going to go to Connection Settings, we're going to hit our favorite connection, the connection that we most use. In my case, it's going to be Connection 3. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to hit Change Settings, we're going to head over to DNS, and yours is going to be like this. It's going to be auto-obtain DNS. So we need to click No and Detailed Setup. We're going to hit the primary DNS. It's going to be all zeros like the second DNS. I just changed it for this tutorial and to install homebrew. So you're going to click on it and you're going to have lots of zeros. So you're going to remove all of those zeros and you're going to type in this DNS. It's 107.211.140.065. Once you've typed that in, you're going to hit OK. Then you're going to hit OK and save. It's going to say that your connection has been saved. If you want to test, go ahead. I'm not going to do this. Alright, we can just hit back, go back again, and close. Now, we're going to open up the YouTube app, but before we open up the app, we need to have some files on our SD card, alright? So, what we need on our SD card, you guys need to go down in the description, and I will provide a link with a zip file that's going to contain a 3DS folder and a boot.3dsx file. What you're going to do with those is drag them to the root of your SD card, alright? Once you've done that, you're going to remove your SD card from your laptop or PC, and you're going to put it back in your 3DS, alright? So make sure to read the description, alright? After you've done that step, you're going to head over and open up the YouTube app. This might take a bit to load, depending on your internet connection or I don't know what else. Once it starts loading, you will see a little white icon that will start spinning right here, okay? So be patient, it might take a bit. If it doesn't, alright, you can start using the homebrew right away, but if it does, just be patient and wait, okay? As you can see, this page pops up. If you've done everything correctly, you should get this page. So it's going to ask you to select your firmware version. You're going to click on this, and you're going to select it. As you can see, we have USA new, old, USA new, old, yeah, and we got the versions, okay? You can select your version. For example, if you have a new 3DS, you just bought it, you know, the recent 3DS that just released, you're going to select that. If you have the old 3DS, you're just going to select the old 3DS, like that, alright? Make sure you do not get this wrong. If you mess up, the YouTube app will just crash and you will not be able to use homebrew. So this has to be correct, okay? After you've done that, you're just going to click submit. It just start loading up there. You get this page, alright? And your exploit should run. As you can see, the homebrew launcher. So, as you can see, we got our apps down here. I have some apps that I have recently installed, so, okay, you can see. So, alright, that's basically it. That's the homebrew channel. But, downside for this homebrew, you need internet connection every single time you want to use it. But, that's only for the YouTube app. If you have ironfall invasion, you will be able to use the homebrew without internet connection. Alright? So, if you have YouTube and you have ironfall invasion, you can just launch up the Ironhax installer. That will install the exploit on the game. Alright? So as you can see, Welcome to the Ironhax installer. Please proceed. Alright. So you're gonna press A. So you can see it's gonna ask you to select a save game slot. Alright. So as you can see, we have 3 save slots on our game. As you can see, 2, 3. So we're gonna select either one. I'm gonna select game slot 2. Just click A. It's gonna ask you the version of Ironfall. Mine is 1.1. Click A. As you can see, please select your console firmware. Mine is the old 3DS 9.9. It's going to download the things and install it to your game. As you can see, mine failed. Okay, mine failed because I already had the save game installed on the Ironfall. All right, so don't worry. You should get a success, and you just should hit start, and you will get back to the homebrew launcher. Okay, so this is Ironhax. All right, so we're gonna click B, start, and we're gonna click A. This is just gonna restart our console. All right, let it restart right here, and we're gonna open the Ironfall Invasion app. If you do not have Ironfall Invasion, don't worry guys, you don't need to do this because you don't have Ironfall. But if you only have YouTube, you have to stick with it and need internet. But okay, now let's open up Ironfall. Should get the loading screen, blah blah blah. Turn off our 3D right here. Okay. Let it load up right here. As you can see, we have save files. You have Ironhax. That should pop up. You need to have that save file right here. So you're gonna just click A. You can see Ninja Hacks is just gonna run the exploit, and you have the homebrew launcher. All right. This is Ironhax. Okay. Ironhax does not rely on the internet. If you have YouTube and you have Ironfall Invasion, you can just run YouTube once, install the Ironhax installer, like right there, and you do not need YouTube anymore. You're just going to launch the Ironfall Invasion app, and you're going to select the save file, and the exploit should run, okay? So, for instance, you might be asking, what about YouTube? Is that screen going to pop up always? No. That screen will not pop up every single time, unless you disable it. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can disable that screen and use the YouTube app normally to watch videos. So we're going to head over to settings again. Let it load up. You can see we're going to head over to internet connection settings, the connection that you use to change the DNS. We're going to go to change settings, head over to DNS again, and as you can see, we're going to head over to detailed setup. We're going to click the primary DNS. We're going to remove all of the code that we put in before, and we're just going to put 000.000.000.000. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to hit OK again. Okay. Oops, what did I do? What did I do wrong? It's right. Alright guys, I'm sorry something went wrong, but if you want to, you can just click detailed setup and put the zeros in back again, or you can just click auto obtain DNS and hit OK, save, OK, don't test. Let's head back to our home menu, and let's launch up YouTube, and you guys will see that you can watch your videos normally. Make sure to do this only if you have Ironfall Invasion, because this app can run the homebrew. Okay, if you do not have Ironfall, leave the settings just like they are, and do not change anything. Okay. As you can see, YouTube, it should load up normally right now, so you can watch your videos, and you know. Okay, It's my internet connection, which is freaking slow. Alright, started loading right now. It crashed. Normal. Just restart it. Okay, no problem. Alright guys, well that was the tutorial for today, okay? And today I just taught you guys how to install TubeHax and Ironhax on your 3DS, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, share it with your friends, alright? Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys later, and peace out. See ya.